On this video, we will show the capabilities of monitoring of the system through the smoke and fire sensors. These two devices up here, they're usually mounted on the trash room, and they send signals when there's a smoke condition on the room or an increase in the heat given by the heat detector. Now, these smoke detectors and heat detectors are always normally closed systems. So let's try now looking at this alarm. This is going to be simulating the smoke. See, that's blinking. And it's going to sound a very loudly alarm that is going to say that the system is detecting smoke. But also the doors, as you can see, are going to be blinking on every floor and also blinking at the control panel. And the message on the screen, it's a chute fire alarm. Check smoke and heat detector sensor and chute. So now what needs to happen is we need to come and check what the condition, and once we reset the condition like this, and that thing stop using, the system resets itself to the normal conditions, and the door now once again are able to operate. Now the same functionality applies to the heat detector. In case of this exceeded heat comes on, it's going to send a signal to the PLC. Now to do this, we have a switch over here to simulate this contact open. Now you see, once again the alarm pops up on the screen saying chute fire alarm, check smoke and heat sensors and chute. Once again you press C4 and then you can mute it, but the alarm condition is still, and you cannot open any of the doors. Internally, we have some connections to allow you to interact with the system alarm sensors. That's for advanced functions. We have three terminals 28 and 29, or 32 and 34, which when there's an alarm, those two are coming off, and when it's actually these two down here. When everything it's okay, there's having voltage over here. So in case of a failure or a fire alarm, this will go down. Another feature of this is the fire sensors are connected to this safety relay. So, and this is continually monitoring. So in case of one of those sensors goes bad, this relay will come down, will go off, and will tell you that you have a problem in your system. So this is gonna be always on, so we have all the things working properly. Additional to that, we got another set of contacts over here in case you want to interface either your system with this one, or by simply using the voltage supply over here that we usually connect some kind of a magnetic holder for the doors to close or for the hoppers to close when an alarm appears. So, but that's a safety relay, and that works in conjunction with all the fire alarm sensors and the panel.